Take your CJ7 all the way to 11. Jeepin' with cool guy.
We're going to start with the bumper, front bumper. This one's had a little bit of a ding in it, so we've got 4 bolts total. You got one here, one here, one here, and one here. And all they do is bolt right into the frame. Real simple and easy peasy. This is a little rusted out. It's 9/16, so I got my little breaker bar. Got a crescent or a wrench right underneath it, holding the one so it doesn't spin. Let's see how easy this is to get out. Okay. Got one bolt. So there's the top one. No, definitely want to go this way. All right, lefty loosey. There we go. Let's make that work. There you go. All right, 34 years of rust, and it just snapped clean off. Okay, not much of a loss there. That's an easy replacement. Why am I not using the impact wrench? Because I can't get it in there. The front shackle sticks right below this bolt. And here we go. One handy dandy big old bumper. You can see it's bent out here a little bit from whatever I ran into, so I'm going to have to figure out how to get that pressed out.